Okay, I'm back. I paused that for a minute while I grabbed my AdSense search code. Real quickly, too, you can choose two different types of AdSense search options. One option is to display search on your own blog, and that's where if you choose that option when you're setting up AdSense search in your AdSense control panel, if you choose that option, then you'll have to set up a URL on your own site, which is going to be which will allow the user to show or to see, to see your Google search results on your blog. I don't do any of that. It takes too much time to customize all that. What I would do, or what I suggest if you're really wanting to set this up quickly, is to simply use the widget feature, which this plugin creates. It creates a search widget. All you do is you enter your search code that you generate over in AdSense, your search box code. You enter it in here, and you just simply save it. You can also grab this little PHP snippet here and place it into your header, your WordPress.php header code as well, and that'll allow you to show your search box anywhere you want to customize it onto your blog. But I don't do that. Like I said, I'm just going to save my my search box code here, and once that saves, I'm going to simply go over to Appearance and Widgets, and in your available widgets here, you're going to see, I've already moved mine over, you're going to see this Google Search. It's titled Google Search Widget. I've already titled it something else. But if you see it here, Google Search, we're going to drag it over, put it where we want it. I like to call it Search Google here. And you save it. And let's go check out our ads now that we've set this up. Actually, I'm going to check it out in another browser because when you're logged in, this login bar up here, which I know I can get rid of, but I don't, sometimes blocks or doesn't allow this top ad up here to show up. Remember the top ad I was telling you about? This one here. Let's see. I know I'm jumping around. I'm trying to be quick about this, but I think I'm getting the point across. Top link ad right here. Top link ad. Okay, I've enabled this just to show you what it looks like. Again, you just have to choose where you want it to show up. Choose one of the two sizes here, and save it. So here's that top link ad up here. Okay, let's get that to go away. Come on, really? I'm gonna go to another browser. Hold on. There we go. There's the top link ad. Let me refresh this page now that we have put in the search box. Okay. Oh, one thing I want to show you. See the search box there? See how long it is? It doesn't fit into the sidebar widget. Let me show you how easy that is to fix, and I'll show you where to modify that. Go here to Google Search, and inside your code, see where it says size equals in parentheses here? That's the length of your search box there. I'm going to change that to like 24. I forget. Oops. I think it's either 24 or 27 that fits into this widget, but you can play with that to get the width that best fits into your blog or into your widget. So now that we've saved that, let's go back to our page and refresh it. Let me hit F5 to really clear it. Why didn't it save? I'm going to pause this 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I had to clear the cache here so that it would show up. So as you see, the new size of the search box actually fits really well here into this sidebar widget. All right. Next, well, let's go through these real quickly. This is the top bar ad. This is the navigation ad that I showed you I set up, and this is the large rectangle. And as you can see here, here's that first little bit of snippet showing up above the large rectangle that I set up. So that lays out really nice, and I like the way that the current ad setup looks on this page here. And again, every blog is going to be a little different because of the design. So what's cool about this plugin is it allows you to really customize where your ads show up, and you're going to want to test what works best. Typically, as you know, the heat map for clicking is all within this top left area corner here and then to the center. So this layout here should get pretty good click-through ratio. Again, I'm going to want to test it, but just from the overall first looks of it, I think it would do really well. Let's jump over to the one last feature here that this plugin has, and that is this privacy policy creator. As you know, to run AdSense, the terms of service require that you have some sort of privacy policy on your page, and the best type of privacy policy that you can run is one that's created specifically for advertisers and publishers of AdSense. And the one that we have set up here is very sufficient for that. It has all of the content and all the sections needed to properly suffice for. I'm sorry, I'm thinking of three different things while I'm going here. Essentially, this privacy policy works perfectly for running AdSense across your site. All you need to do is select all the sections here, like I've shown here on the left side. I think that should be selected too. I don't know why it's not. But you essentially put your blog name in here. You can put the email in here. This is just going to create the content within the privacy policy, the blog URL, the page title, and the page URL. So, or the slug here. So, we're calling this privacy policy. We're going to create this, and I think we need to get. Okay, it said it was created. Let me just scroll down and make sure this looks good. Down here, include a last updated timestamp. We usually include that just to show when the page was last updated. Include a link for the AdSense WordPress plugin. You don't have to do this. This is just giving us a link back to our plugin, which probably doesn't even work for SEO anymore. This was kind of thought of as a last minute back in the day thing. So if you do want to include a link, that's great. If not, no big deal. Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's check out our pages. As you can see, here's the privacy policy just created. There's all the content that it generated for you. And let's go check out the page here. Apartments of NYC privacy policy, and there you have it. I would remove this top link ad from appearing on any pages. However, I'm going to remove all the ads from this site. Again, this is our demo site that we've been using from day one, apartmentsofnyc.com, just to show demonstrations of some of the things that we've developed here with Content Revenge. So I'm going to remove all the ads. If you come back to this site and do not see any ads, don't panic. It's just that I don't want ads showing up on this site. It's only for demonstration purposes. So that should give you an idea of how this new plugin works. It's pretty straightforward. It's easy to install and allows you to totally customize where you place AdSense across your blog, and allows you to easily integrate it across every page of your Content Revenge pages as well. So have fun with that, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for being a Content Revenge user.